out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-16600 color printer. In today's tech-savvy landscape, the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-16600 stands out as the best wireless printer under $2,000 in 2024, combining cutting-edge features with affordability. This printer revolutionizes your printing experience with its innovative EcoTank technology, ensuring you never run out of ink unexpectedly. The cost savings on ink are truly remarkable, as you can enjoy up to a 90% reduction in expenses with low-cost replacement bottles compared to traditional cartridges. Epson's unwavering dedication to excellence shines through in the EcoTank Pro ET-16600's exceptional paper handling capabilities. This remarkable printer effortlessly accommodates a wide range of printing needs, from producing expansive 13-inch by 19-inch sheets using the rear feed to providing efficient copying and scanning functions for 8.5-inch by 11-inch documents via the scan bed or 8.5-inch by 14-inch pages via the ADF. With its seamless adaptability, this printer is poised to meet all of your diverse requirements with utmost precision and ease. The EcoTank Pro ET-16600 offers wireless connectivity, allowing you to print from your devices without dealing with cords effortlessly. This printer is more than just a purchase, it's an investment in efficient, cost-effective, and high-quality printing. Epson provides a 2-year limited warranty, registration required, and a tempting promotion on 542 ink bottles, making this printer an unrivaled value proposition. If you're interested in this wireless color inkjet printer, check out the link in the description box below.